You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reesie Gang down in the comments below. And if you're OG, welcome back, babe. I have another hair video for you. I seen this hairstyle a few times a couple months ago and I've been dying to try it out and I'm obsessed. So if you guys want to know how I achieve this color, then stay tuned. Bye.
Macy, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Cause we going to Beverly Hills. Now if I'm gonna do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
All right, ladies, get your blonde hair ready. Today we are using ZSFwigs. They are sponsoring this video today. Thank you so much for letting me use this wig to try out this style. It comes with a beautiful frontal. It's very, very, very thick. It's 13 by 6, so we have plenty of parting space, which I love. Adjustable straps and combs, and the hair, of course, is beautiful, thick, and I'm super excited to try this out. Alrighty, so we are using these products today. So I am using the Darkest Brown by Kiss. I believe it is a T99. I'll have everything linked down below. We're using honey brown for the top and then black for the ends. And now we are using Shimmer Lights conditioner to tone the hair. So get your favorite purple shampoo. Today we are using Shimmer Lights. This is going to be the conditioner. I don't like using shampoo with my units because they usually dry out the hair. So I'm using the conditioner. As you can see, I put way too much conditioner in. The water is blue. I tested out a strand and that hair turned silver automatically, and we don't like that. So let's try this again. So do you see this light bluish purple color? That's how you want the water to be. So I decided to test it and dump the whole wig in because, you know, impatience. But anyway, so I like to just give that a nice bath. I basically bathe it for a couple minutes and see how all the yellowish tones are gone. Now it's a nice blonde color. Super cute. So definitely tone the hair before adding your colors in to get rid of that yellowish tint. Alrighty, so let's get to the nitty gritty. So we are using our honey brown first. Be careful with dyeing your hair in the sink. It can stain the sink. There are products to get the stain out, but I'm just letting you guys know, be careful. I'm using hot water. The water gets super hot, so I didn't have to boil any water. So now I am dumping the wig. I dump it all the way up to where the bottom of the comb is, if that makes sense. So I try to dump as much of the wig in as possible without the frontal touching the water, because I want the color to start from the frontal all the way down. So it looks like it has a reddish tint to the wig. I was super scared because I wasn't expecting the hair to look very auburnish or reddish. So yeah, be careful. Well, you don't have to be careful, just trust the process. That's all I gotta say, is trust the process if you're using the same exact products. So I decided to pour some more of the honey brown in the water, and now the water looks like this, and I am going over the same spot I wet up and dipped the hair in a few more times to get some sort of color in. Just make sure you don't touch the frontal with any of the colored water. So now I'm going to add the darkest brown into the same water. and mix that up. So just in case there's any clumps in the water, we don't want any clumps. So now what I'm doing is dipping the hair in, but not all the way. I did maybe 80% of the hair in. So that honey brown is going to be the transition into the black. So the darkest brown is going to be the middle color. So I dipped it 80% in so the honey brown color can still show. So I emptied out the sink, and now it's time to continue with the darkest brown. So I decided to redo it and add some more of the dye. And this time I don't put it all the way in. Now I'm putting like 70% of the water in, or 70% of the wig in, as you can see. So I'm trying to make an ombre effect, so the darker the colors at the end. And now we are using black. So we have to use black, not a jet black, because this black has red undertones to it, while jet black has blue undertones. And if you put blue with red, it's going to look very, very messy. So definitely get a regular black. And I put that on the ends, and this is how the hair looks. Honestly, I was very, very skeptical when the hair is wet, but you know, when you dye hair, you won't be able to see the final result until it's dry and styled, so just trust the process. Alright, you guys, we are on our favorite step, which is styling. I'm just prepping the wig first before I get to plucking this unit. I like to blow dry. The hair was still a little wet. This is the next day. Like I said, trust the process, because the wig was looking a little crazy in this clip, but it's gonna look cute, trust me, girl. So now I'm just plucking the frontal. As you can see, the frontal is very, very, very thick. So I did spend a couple hours plucking this unit. Take your time, especially with blonde hair. The units usually come very, very thick, which I like, so I don't mind plucking. So yeah, this is just a little video of me plucking. Let me know if you guys want a separate video of me plucking units. I did want a nice little widow's peak type of look. It didn't come out super sharp, but I did my very best and it still looks cute, so yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm just going back with my Kendra Boutique's hot comb. It gets super, super hot, 500 degrees. One thing about this wig is it has a lot of flyaways. So as you can see, I'm prepping my hair, my wig cap. This is the wig the next day, and it looks beautiful. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me style this wig. If you guys want a full explanation on how I apply my wigs, it will be linked down below. I did already mention this unit was very, very thick. It fit me very, very good. So big head friendly ladies, this might be the wig for you. So I'm gonna take my Ghost Bond. I haven't used Ghost Bond in years, and let me tell you, did they just jack up the price? Because I spent $20 on this bottle, and I was like, why is this so expensive? I don't remember paying this much for some glue. But anyways, I did four rounds of the glue, and this is how it looks. I want this hair to stay on for a long time, girl, so I did 4 rounds.
Love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it.
I definitely want to let you guys know that everything will be linked down in the description. Sometimes my camera can't pick up the details of some of these products, but you know, don't fret, I got you, girl. I did want to say again, with this wig, it did have a lot of flyaways, so what I ended up doing was parting the frontal little piece by piece and just running my hot comb and my wax stick through it so it can lay as flat as possible. With thick wigs, it's going to be a little harder to lay very flat, so with this unit you might have to have your hair braided as flat as possible and then just use a wax stick to just take control of those baby hairs, or not the baby hairs, the flyaways. So I'm taking my wig dealer melting spray. I love this stuff. This will help melt the lace into my skin so it looks like it is growing out of my scalp. So shout out to Righteous Growth. I'll have a whole separate video. They have a product line. It is black owned, where you can do very sleek, slick silk presses just using their products. So I'm excited to be showing you guys. I tried it on my mom and her hair was bone straight, girl. So yes, look forward to that. So I'm just taking my curling iron and just curling my hair. I'm not going to trim it until I finish curling it so I can see where my bangs is going to lay. Now it's time to focus on the baby hairs. This seems to not be my strong suit, but I tried my best plucking it, and then I'm using my favorite mousse to just lay my baby hairs with a comb and a brush, and then wrapping it with some wrapping paper. Is it called wrapping paper? No, I don't know, but you know what I mean. So here I am. I'm going to curl out or comb out these curls and seeing how the hair is gonna lay. And then I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor and start shaping my bangs. So as you can see, I'm just going downward. I don't know why I don't know, when I use scissors it doesn't work well for me, and then I'm left-handed, so I don't know, scissors and left hands don't work, but these razors do the job. So yeah, and I bought like a 500 pack of these razors, so I'm gonna definitely be using these for a while.
Split the legs just like a fraction, tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make it feel like.
So you guys, that's basically it. That's how I style my wig and how I colored my wig as well. I hope this gained you some inspiration to try this yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.